Imagine waking up in 2030 with a portfolio that doubled in value, all because of the stocks you chose today. But here's the catch. Most people won't make those choices, will you? Today, I'll reveal 5 stocks that could be future wealth builders. But watch closely, because the last one? It's a game changer most people are ignoring. 1. NVIDIA, NVDA. The AI powerhouse. AI isn't coming, it's already here. NVIDIA powers everything from self-driving cars to ChatGPT. Miss this, and you're missing the backbone of the tech revolution. Feeling FOMO? Good, because tech waits for no one. 2. Amazon, AMZN. The e-commerce empire expanding. Think Amazon is just online shopping? Think again. AWS, AI, and healthcare ventures are driving Amazon into new trillion-dollar industries. What if you owned a piece of that future? 3. Palantir Technologies, PLTR. Data dominance. Data is the new oil, and Palantir refines it for governments and corporations. But here's a question. Do you want to watch the data boom or own a part of it? 4. Enphase Energy, ENPH. Solar power leader. The sun isn't going anywhere, and neither is the demand for clean energy. As governments push for green energy, Enphase is charging up portfolios. 5. SoFi Technologies, SoFi. The fintech disruptor. Banking is broken, and SoFi is fixing it for Gen Z and millennials. Student loans, investing, banking, all in one app. Could this be the Amazon of finance? So, which of these stocks has you excited, or maybe nervous? Investing isn't just about stocks, it's about vision. But here's the thing, the best opportunities always feel risky, until they aren't. So, will you seize the moment, or watch from the sidelines? Hit that like and subscribe for more wealth-building insights. Drop a comment. Which stock are you betting on for 2025? Let's grow together. See you in the next video.